Hello, today I made this video to have you integrate Megatron air conditioner management system to the Bitwise controller. We need IS gateway from Megatron and IR module for the air conditioner interfacing. This module have IR flasher and temperature sensor to measure the room temperature, connectivity cable, and the main module have a communication RG45 ports and have a booster. This device to have you to find device. When you find device, the booster turn on, and when you stop find device, the booster turn off. Okay, so you need the Megatron connectivity cable for the Bitwise BC4, and this is Megatron gateway. We have a serial ports for the home automation system like Omni Lumina family controller from Leviton or the Bitwise. This is terminal of power supply with circulation. The power have voltage is 24 DC or AC, and current recommend is 5 to 10 ampere. Okay, so this is USB ports for the configure the system from the Megatron utility software, and this is communication ports. Okay, right now we go to the setup the our system. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first step we connect to the gateway to the Bitwise controller by the Megatron serial port cable for Bitwise control BC4. So we had four position cable. It's GND, is RXD, and TXD. As the on the Bitwise control is the GND, RXD, TXD position. Okay, we will connect our cable to the three position of the on the Bitwise for the communication. Okay, I done to connect the cable to the Bitwise control. Okay, so other side of cable is I attach to the IS gateway. Okay. Okay, so after we done, we plug the communication cable to the communication ports, and other side of cable we plug to the IR module, and for the next module we plug cable on the first module and plug to next module. Okay, the communication cable using K5 UTP standards and cream as type A or type B straight cable for the communication. Okay, so now I attach the power to the our gateway to supply power for the IR module to gateway. Okay, Okay, I done to attach the power cable to the our gateway, and now I power up the system. Okay, when you power up system, you see the LED illuminator. It indicates the power system, and you see the on the module the LED indicator the power module turn on. Okay, see lock, unlock, turn off, turn on. Okay, the last step. We attach the USB cable. This style like a printer cable to the with port. Okay, and this side plug to your computer. And now we come to the config system by Megatron software. Okay, we will back to computer and open the Megatron software, and click scan button to load all device on the network to the software. Okay, after we've loaded the software or the IR module to the software, we can configure it. We choose encoder server brain, configure the device address, so name of device my living room. Okay, we can set to the Samsung. Okay, set device. Okay, we can test device by control simulator on the software. After reaching for the device, we back to the setting for the gateway. Choose controller brain is the Bitwise control, so click set. When you set gateway with the controller brain in Bitwise, system will rescan the system. Now we open Bitwise project editor, and with new project, we're adding the device from network to project. Done. Okay, we done for the add controller to the connected device. Right click to the serial port 1, click to the property. You need to check to GUEs to way at 232 and click OK. And now we add security device by import security device, and we choose the Megatron gateway .bscp file. Okay, so now choose the right click to the Megatron gateway and choose the property. Okay, you can see the out function is mode cool, mode heat, mode auto, mode fans below, fans fat high, power off, temperature sets increase, temperature sets decrease, and Bitwise app start. And now we handle the feedback from the out device to the system. And now I remove the current. Okay,
So you see the feedback function for the device with address socket. It is for the device address 101. Okay, and now I make the device address for 102 by choose the inner unit ID 101 status and choose the duplex. Okay, you can see the to the inner unit ID 101. I choose the last, so I rename of ID to 102, and on the expression I need to change the 2. Okay, that's character is the device address, so I modify the name and feedback ID by 2. Okay, 2. Okay, for the next device I choose the last device here and create duplicate and choose the last device to the 3. Okay, by 2 102. Need to see here. For 104 operation 4. Okay, we can do same for the next address, such as 105, 106, 109. Okay, it's not button. Click OK. Save. Okay, I come to Bitwise purchase. So it's the Megatron, air conditioner, aircon. Click save. Okay, right now we come to the PC4 macro and browse the start up macro and right click on start up macro and edit. Right click on the window edit and choose the insert comment and you choose the script device Megatron action Bitwise app start and click OK. Editor and app GUI and I call name editor and app GUI and I call the Megatron. I see, And now I add GUI base. I call this is main app. Double click. You choose the target screen solution in iPhone's budget. Now I choose the logo and so okay, you can name the label. I call the Megatron air conditioner management. Okay, change form. Okay, right here. So now we add the button, new button, and you change press image to my new show the brain. Press set. Then use select room. Okay. Sorry. Side to the head is 30, with to it 65. Need more width. Okay. Okay, I add more the GUI base. I call the room lead. Okay. GUI target soon iPhone purchase. Add the label. I call the room list. Now I add the button, new button, chain, press it 40 and 150. I call this the living room. Okay, copy, pet item, pet item, pet item, edit the like bedroom and the dining room and the kitchen. Okay. As new button, hit 40 and 80, and this certain byte. Show the precise. Okay. So let's put it byte to the main app. Okay. So now come back to main app. Let's hit the button select room to the room list. Okay. And now I adding the room. I call it living room. And now we design the living room. iPhone purchase. Okay, and come to back to room list. Native living room to the living room. Okay. So on a living room, I add to label and living room. I locate it here and add to the panel. Add the screen. Okay. Did earlier I will display all the status of the air conditioner. Okay. So I add the label. I go to the temp, room temp. Be located here. So it's smaller. It's okay. Room temp. Copy and paste item. Did it echo the status? Okay. Paste item is the most copy paste item. Echo is the fans. Is it stated a fan speed? Okay. And more side. Okay, I add more the new label. I call the room temperature. I adding initial of the temperature here. File is more. Okay. Copy. Pet item is status. Up. Okay, I add So you can add item new label, change file back to the 9. I go mode school. To change the color here. See here, change color to the yellow. Okay. Copy. Pin item to the file row. Okay, now we add the system feedback to the status on the room temperature. Double click to the feedback ID. I choose the unit as room temp, units Megatron gateway, units 101 room temp. Okay. For the status feedback, we choose the Megatron gateway 101 power. Do for the mode is the Megatron gateway units 101 modes. Okay, choose the Megatron gateway 101 fan speed. Okay, we're done. Now we add the button for the control. Change to the press page image school. Size to the 35. Okay, we can copy, paste. Okay, modify is to hit. You can change font to the straight. Okay, the for the auto. Change it to change font to the aqua. Okay. This is for up. Change font to the green dimmer. Okay, now for the copy item, paste. Make it if fan low and fan high. And for the byte system, I need to 1 byte. Copy, paste, come to byte and native to the room list. Okay, so I add the new label. I choose the Megatron, the set term 101 set term. I choose the 25. Okay, more 30. Okay, and then add new button chain 4, key up, resize, size for small size, copy, paste. Okay, double click and change the icon to down arrow, down. Okay, now I guide you to add the command to the button by double click and action on press command. Choose the type of device, skip device function, and Megatron gateway must cool, and type the ID added you want to control. This is 101. Okay, do for hits, choose the secure device and mode hits and 010 auto secure device is 010. Choose secure device into the fancy low 010 and security function 101. Okay, come to the system label, choose the system. Okay, inquiry button, secret, and choose the set increase 101, decrease secret function, decrease 101. Okay, so now we done for the setup all the the control the interface for the living room. You can do it for the other by that place, copy and paste GUI and rename. Rename. I need to change the room, please. Bedroom. Okay, and now native room rate bedroom to the bedroom. Okay, back to bedroom. Should it room temp Megatron unit 102 room temp. Okay, stated 102 power, modes 102 modes, 10 fan speed, 102 fan speed. Okay, temperature 102 set them, and edit command E2 102 02 02. I forget the up, power up 102 2. 0.02. So here, okay, need to add the command for off button. Power off 101. Okay, now we save the project and update to the
Okay, now I test up with my air conditioner Samsung. Just select room to my living room. You can see the temperature room and selected of air conditioner is off and time is 23. Now I turn on by click screw. Change temperature. Change to auto. Fan to high. And turn off.